Hey, David here with the 1918 Model T. Dad's been working on taking the engine out so that we can get to the mags and replace the mag coils. Made a lot of progress in the last couple days. Other thing that we were able to do is replace this front Y bar, because the old one right here was splitting when it was being tightened down. So today's engine's going to come out. Yep.
Are you going to drive around in this?
We got our helper Annabelle today too.
Drive before you actually drive it?
We already did a test drive.
On this?
Yeah, we did. Papa and I drove it. We got the steering wheel out of the way and now removing some pedals.
I'm trying to take the hog's head off because I don't want to fight the pedals going under the dash or under the firewall.
We're currently removing the bolts to remove the hog's head. And we got a good helper.
USA.
Okay, flip it over. What size is it?
1.
It's a 1, so that's a 1 inch.
1 inch.
We're almost done with this side.
Where are you?
Ready to move on to this side.
Okay.
What are we missing? There it is.
Dad, can I honk this one?
Oh.
I'm gonna honk this.
All right, well, we got that removed.
You're funny.
All right, David.
Dad, can I see the video?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We got 2 more bolts here and 2 on each side, and it should be ready to pit.
Okay. So it's gonna rest in place, removing all those bolts.
It should.
Okay. All right, we got the engine removed and it's hanging here from the engine hoist. Trying to remove the oil pan right now. I've got to go back into town for something, so Dad's gonna stay here, keep working on it, and get this mag coil plate replaced. So have fun, Dad.
Yeah.
All right, till next time. Got an update for us. We're just working on getting this piece off. There is a pin down in here that we have to align with here to push it out, and then this whole piece will come off. So Dad's currently making a tool for us to shove in there, which is what the manual says to do. And once we get that, then we can pull the rest of this off.
I think take this apart, get the clutch pack out,
Oh, so cut these wires or untwist them.
and then we gotta have the puller. But they don't feel real good. See, this is actually separate from that one, the clutch is.
Okay. Okay, so according to the manual, this thing should have 6 pounds of pull on these magnets. So I've got this bolt here that does not weigh 5 pounds. And I've got a little bit of pull, but it is not holding on to it. So it'll hold that size of bolt, but not over double. So we're definitely weak on these magnets. Oh shit, all right. Okay, well. Okay, there's 3 of them, right? I've got the bottom one. Okay. Right here. You want these just back where they came from?
Yeah. One on there.
Mm-hmm. So that one there you were saying was loose, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, right here there's a copper wash. Is that a copper washer? Nope. Yeah, you can see the slop in that one. That just presses out, it looks like.
Well, yeah, you press these out too.
Mm-hmm.
Let's find another.
All right, we're down to the flywheel, huh? Does that just slide off?
You shouldn't. I guess we better read the book, David.
Yeah. Okay, so to get this flywheel off, there's
Yeah.
4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're accessible through here. So we've got to reposition the engine so that we can get to them. And then it'll come off.
Wonder.
Now it's front heavy. Happy with that?
Yeah. Okay. That one's loose. See?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can hear it. That one's loose.
Yep. It's loose, but not as bad.
Yeah. So we'll be replacing those then, huh?
Yeah, I think this is a rebuild. Well, it's not necessary because it's running, but we got this far apart.
Yeah.
Dirty as it is, we might as well. I don't know. We'll see. Here, pick, locked up a little bit. They could use a hone, and if nothing else,
Maybe a set of rings.
maybe.
Since
We'll
we,
have to have them mic'd and see what.
yeah. Do the valves. Redo these bearings here.
Rod bearings.
Rod bearings, yeah.
Probably the main too. Something's loose.
That's this gear backlash right here.
Okay. It didn't sound bad when it was running.
No, not at all.
Oh, it's just a little. Oh, okay. It'll work. Wow. Okay. I'd say it could use a little cleaning up anyway. Yeah. It's kind of sloppy. See that?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how much tolerance there's supposed to be, or even if it can be.
Is there seats in there? Like replaceable seats?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Here, pull it out real quick. Yeah, not sure. Too much grease to tell. Maybe that comes out. Who knows?
I doubt the valve guides come out. I don't know though.
Guess we'll have to read the book. What's up, Remy? Been a good girl? Hmm? Being a good boy, Gunner? Hmm? Good boy. Alright, we're gonna wrap it up for the day. got the mags off, did an assessment of the engine, putting the valve spring back on. That valve we took off. All the valve lapping tools that we've got are pretty wore out. So, gonna figure something else out. Anyway, till next time.